guys, welcome back to my channel with a new video. It's me Nazima. So today's video is for all the people who still buy their vegetables from the market, because today I'll be showing you how to start your vegetable garden at your home in a very simple manner. So without wasting time, let's go. I'll be showing you all the steps you need to do.
So guys, we are in our kitchen garden and now we'll be removing all these weeds and other plants which are there. So for those who don't know, this is the area where we grow vegetables. To know how we grow our vegetables, to watch this video till the end. So we have already removed the weeds, and the next thing we'll be doing is loosen the soil with the help of a hoe. So this is the soil we have dug now, and that is the other part of our area. We'll be doing that later. So now we are finally done digging the soil. You can remove the weeds along which come in the soil, and also the stones. So the next thing we'll be doing is enrich the soil with nutrients. You can use any nutrients, but I would prefer you all to use the organic, but right now we are not having, so we are using this chemical fertilizers. You have to just sprinkle them, and later you have to mix them with the soil using the hoe. So now we are mixing the added fertilizers with the soil, as you can see. Next thing you have to do is level the soil to ensure there is even amount of soil in the entire patch, and this avoids flowing of water in one direction, so that your plants get equal amount of water and not only in one region. You can also make the separation in between to grow two different type of vegetables. So now the soil is finally ready for the seeds to be sown. So now I'll show you how the seeds are sown. So we are having with us here the radish seeds. In Hindi we call it mooli. So you have to use your fingers to make a small hole in the soil and add 2 to 3 or 1 seed and just cover it with the soil. Please make sure that you don't cover the seeds with too much of soil. It should be a little amount. Last but not the least, you have to sprinkle a little amount of water. So the seeds will be germinating after 3 days. I will be making another video where you can see the full grown up vegetables. So if you would like to see, do subscribe my channel to get the further notification. Until then, bye.